This is Groovy Space, and today we have an abandoned storage unit here in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. This is an outdoor drive-up unit, drive up right in front, and the size of this unit is 4 meter wide, 4 meter deep, and 3 meter high. I'll show you what are some of the goods here. It's pretty messy. Welding sticks. We start from outside, then we go right in. Most of the stuff I just can't describe to you. It's mostly all tools. I can see there's an angle grinder. Okay. Bags of cloth. Probably it's a rack one. This bag here is inside there. There's a bag of toys. Okay, we're gonna go in. Okay, we start with the left. There must be some sort of a hydraulics or shock absorbers. No clue what this is. I'm gonna lift it up and show you. You can see filter. Some sort of a bender. Okay, the legs to the dining table, which is on my right here. You can see all the dining chairs. This table looks like it's either an 8-seater. So the dining chairs could be behind there, behind the dining table. And right on top is a mattress. There's 2 mattresses here, or 3. There's one on the top here, here, and here. I can see 3 mattresses. So going down below here, we can see a go-kart frame. I can see a seat, steering wheel. So there's a motor here. Okay, condition unknown. Nothing is tested here. So there's no warranty or guarantee. As you can see, it's pretty messy. There's an air compressor there. And I managed to take a picture on the other side, where the dining table side is. And I saw a 2.2 horsepower. Some exercise equipment again. Some sort of a inflatable boat, I believe. And we either got a water wakeboard or a snowboard. No idea. Okay. Very nice chest of drawers, all empty inside there, except for under. Oops. Okay. Okay, we got a mirror there, no cracks at all. All the toys there. Again, more industrial tools, jigsaw, sander. I believe this is a generator. 6.5 horsepower. There's a key there, and the brand is called Shogun. We've got an Isuzu box. This must be a gearbox for the see all the various tools. This is heavy, very heavy. Obviously it's full. I need to show you the washing machine. It looks pretty good from outside. The model here, it's a 8.5 kilo. It's the model. Looks good from outside. Nothing is tested. So everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, the staff at this site here will refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Just a reminder again, nothing is tested, so there's no warranty or guarantee. Again, this is in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. It's a 4 by 4 meter unit with a 3 meter high, and it's an outdoor drive-up unit. Thank you for watching.